and it's Jennifer, and I have Advent Day 4 for December the 4th. So let's check those out. So I'm going to pull out the 4th on my Southern Skeins, and I will get the 4th out here. So on the sewing calendar, I have, what are they? Travel kit with threaded needles. So it's a travel kit with threaded needles right there. And let's see what's in Southern Skeins. So, oh, that's real pretty. That's purple, and it's DK weight. So we'll set that aside. And we will move on to Woobles. Even though the cat's getting mad at me because I moved him. Day 4 is way down here. So day 4 has a card in it. Get the card out. Okay. So I think day 4 goes with day 3. Yes. And this is the trunk of the tree. So here is day 4 for Woobles. And we are all set to go. And that was really quick. So there's day 4. Stay tuned for day 5. I'm going to film a few of them in a row. So in the meantime, stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.